Hi everyone, welcome back to our new session of the UiPath. In this session, I will explain you how to extract the defect list in UiPath from Jira by using SQL queries. So, it is always recommended to use a database query or SQL query when we are working with the multiple application, because it will throw a immediate response on that. It's also useful when we are working for the complex project and we need to get the data as soon as possible or get the data from the database. So here I will explain you how to extract the defect list which is available in Jira in UiPath by using SQL command. So let me show you Jira. Let's go to the Jira login, Atlassian. So here I have already added many of the defect list. So I am going to extract these defect list from Jira. So here we need to know that the project name on which project we are extracting, and for the top management also when we are working in the large organization and project manager is tracking on the defect list. So over there as well, it is always recommended to use the SQL query for extracting this stuff. So going or logging into the Jira and doing or performing SQL query, it's bit difficult. So we will do that here in UiPath without logging in Jira. So it's already automated that stuff, and once the project manager needs the defect list, he will go to the query and run that query and get the data or get the defect list in some formats. So whenever or whatever is coded on that. So you can see here 3 projects are available here. So let me show you. So you can see 5 defects are here. So if I want to extract this defect list from UiPath test project, so I need to fire the SQL query. So let's begin with the coding part. Here we need Jira login and the dependency activities or dependent activities. For downloading dependent activities, go to the project. From project you need to download from manage dependency, that is Jira activities. So after downloading Jira activities, you are able to see, that is UiPath team.jira get activities. After downloading this activity, you are able to see Jira get activities available here. Next we'll need to create the connection. In my previous session I have already demonstrated that, because of that I am not going to cover this. So let me directly jump to the how we can code the SQL query. Now I can see we need get issue SQL. Once we will drag and drop, you can see here warning messages are available here. Let's click on this and you can see issues keys are available. I want to extract defect list. If I want to extract the project list, I need to select or change the table name from issues or the project. So project I am going to use here as a UiPath underscore test underscore project. Once I will give here, let me show you for limit 3. Once I will do that and run the command, you can see only 3 defects are available here. But if I want to extract a limit of 50 or 100, so if in project there are 1000 defects, you have to increase the defect limit here. So let me run again. Now you can see 5 defects are available here. So by changing SQL command, you are able to get the data from Jira by using this automated script. Let's save this. So once you will save, you are able to see search SQL command is available here. So let's wait for the completely opening this tab. Now whatever SQL command is over there, same command is available in the search path. By using this search path, once UiPath will run that, it will run this query. So select, so you can see select is the first command which is used for selecting any table and extracting data from there. Select issue keys. So I want the issue number or the defect number from issue. Issue is the table name which is created at the time of logging defect from project. So here we have to provide the project name, order by, created limit, that is 50. So by this way, by using SQL command, we are able to extract the data from Jira. So this is all about how you can extract defect list through SQL command from Jira in UiPath. So hope you understand it. If you have any queries or comment, please comment in the comment section so that I will check and revert with the resolution. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.